Hello everybody, today we are test driving Volkswagen Transporter 2017 which came in with a DPF and EGR problem. So problems has been solved. What can you tell us about your van? How was it and how is it now?
The van before was in a terrible condition. No power, lacking energy, faults all over the place.
Engine light?
Engine light, 2 engine management lights coming on and staying on. Only could drive in limp mode, very frustrating, no power, no guts, nothing. Brought it into the garage where it was
Errol Moorhouse garage,
where it was quickly identified as showing up as a DPF filter fault.
and it's been sorted out. How is it driving now?
Amazing.
Good. You happy?
All faults sorted, drives better than before, and no smoke, black or white, and drives much better
Excellent.
than before.
I'm very happy for you. Thank you.
All
Thank
great.
you. And you have a great weekend.
Thank you, Errol.
Thank you guys. We are Supreme DPF Moorhouse Garage Limited, located in Westerham, Kent. You can reach me on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR problems, power loss, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.